Bonjour. Today, we'll be learning about some of the most important articles in French, definite and indefinite articles. These are essential for everyday conversations in French. By the end of this video, you'll understand when to use le, la, les,
L.
un, une, and des. Let's get started.
Definite articles.
Le, the masculine singular. First, we have le, which is used for masculine singular nouns. For example, we say le livre because livre, book, is masculine. Similarly, le chat means the cat because chat is masculine.
One small tip to make things easy.
Nouns ending in age, ment, voir, sme, et are usually masculine. La, the feminine singular. Next, we have la, which is used for feminine singular nouns. For example, we say la table because table is feminine.
One small tip to make things easy.
75% of nouns ending with e are feminine singular. Le, before vowels or silent h. Now, le is used when the noun starts with a vowel or silent h. For example, here we use l'ami for the friend because ami starts with a vowel. And we say l'école for the school, even though école is feminine because it starts with a vowel.
One small tip to make things easy.
This is used with when noun starts with vowels like a, I, e, o, u, or if noun starts with h, les, plural. Finally, we have les, which is used for plural nouns, whether they are masculine or feminine. For example, we use les livres to mean the books because livre is plural. Similarly, les chaises means the chairs because chaise is plural.
One small tip to make things easy.
Les is simple. Does not matter if nouns is masculine or singular. If it has s in the end, like in English, or x, then it's plural. So to summarize, le is for masculine singular nouns. For example, le livre, the book. La is for feminine singular nouns. For example, la table, the table. Le is for nouns that start with a vowel or silent h. For example, l'école, the school. Les is for plural nouns, both masculine and feminine. For example, les livres, the books. Now let's talk about the indefinite articles, un, une, and des. These are used when we're talking about unspecified things or when the object is mentioned for the first time. In English, they translate to a, an, or some, un. First, un is used for masculine singular nouns. For example, we say un livre because livre is masculine, and we use un chat for a cat because chat is masculine. Une. Next, une is used for feminine singular nouns. For example, we say une maison because maison is feminine, and we use une chatte for a cat because chatte is feminine. We say une table because table is feminine, and we use une chaise for a chair because chaise is feminine. Des. Finally, des is used for plural nouns, whether masculine or feminine. In English, it translates to some or any. For example, we say des livres for some books because livre is plural. Similarly, des chaises means some chairs because chaise is plural. So to summarize, un is for masculine singular nouns, un livre, a book. Une is for feminine singular nouns, une table, a table. Des is for plural nouns, both masculine and feminine, des tables, table. Des livres, some books. Practice time.
Extra vocabulary. Le, la, le, les. La voiture. The car. L'arbre. The tree. Les enfants. The children. L'école. The school. Le stylo. The pen. Les amis. The friends. Le soleil. The sun. L'eau. The water. Les fleurs. The flowers. Le téléphone. The phone. La fenêtre. The window. L'oiseau. The bird. Les livres. The books. Le film. The movie. La porte. The door. L'animal. The animal. Le manteau. The coat. La chaise. The chair. Les lunettes. The glasses. L'ordinateur. the computer. La musique, the music. Le gâteau, the cake. Les pommes, the apples. L'horloge, the clock. La clé, the key. Les chaussures, the shoes. Le jardin, the garden. La porte, the door. L'hôtel, the hotel. Les rues, the streets. Extra vocabulary. Un, une, des. Des pommes, some apples. Un stylo, a pen. Des enfants, some children. Une voiture, a car. Des fleurs, some flowers. Un gâteau, a cake. Des amis, some friends. Un ordinateur, a computer. Une fenêtre, a window. Des chaussures, some shoes. Un téléphone, a phone. Une clé, a key. Un film, a movie. Une porte, a door. Des arbres, some trees. Un animal, an animal. Une horloge, a clock. Des chocolats, some chocolates. Un gâteau, a cake. Une pizza, a pizza. Des légumes, some vegetables. Un verre, a glass. Une photo, a photo. Un chien, a dog. Un jardin, a garden. Une soupe, a soup. Des oiseaux, some birds. Un pantalon, a pair of pants. Une boîte, a box. Des sacs, some bags. Un château, a castle.